Hi everyone, welcome to Education for You. Today I want to explain you how to write HTML basic programs by using Notepad++ text editor. So open the Notepad++ text editor. So now let's see the basic programs in HTML. Actually this HTML is a client-side scripting language. Okay, so try to write the program. So in this video I'm going to explain how to use the heading tags, paragraphs, okay, and links. So let me write the program. So just take the new file. So the doc type here I'm writing is the document doc type HTML tag. So let's write the body, and I'm using the heading. So in this video I want to explain you how to use the heading tags, okay, and if you use the heading tags, what will be the output, and what about the paragraph tags and the link tags. Okay, so headings from heading tags will starts from h1 to h6. Okay, h1 is the highest heading, whereas h6 is the lowest heading. H1, this is heading 1. Close the head tag. So the head tag has to be closed. Next, h2, this is heading 2. Close the head tag. So in the same way, h3, this is heading 3. Close head tag. So like this you have to write, so based on your usage you can go for means the font size. Based on your requirement of the font size you can select the headings. I want to show you the difference of h1, h2 up to h6. So that's why for that reason I'm writing all these headings. This is heading 5, h5. So don't forget the head tag should be open tag as well as the close tag. Heading 6, close the head 6. Okay, now close the body tag as well as close the HTML tag. Now let's see the output. What will be the output for this program? So here just save the program. Before executing, just create a program wherever you just create a folder in any of the drive. Then this is heading .html. So just take the HTML here, hypertext. So then automatically it creates the .html. Hypertext markup language, where it is. So here the hypertext markup language. So automatically creates .html. Save. Now run the program. Click on run here. I want to launch this in Internet Explorer. So just whatever the browser you want, you can launch here. Means the output will be appeared on the browser. The HTML output is always shown it in the browser. Just see here. Okay, so this is the output. So did you observe here? This is heading 1. The h1 tag is having the font, it's a big font. Next 2 is somewhat reduce the font like this up to h6. So this is the way you have to use the head tag, heading, so h1 to h6. Now let me write the title in this also. If you want to represent a title here, so here I am showing something like users Bhanu, so in the document folder it will be creating. Now I want to write the title here for my code. Title, so let's welcome, I am writing the title name and close the title tag. Now let's see what will be the output. So just refresh this page. So here you observe here, previously it is used to show the path, but I have given a title for my page, so that's why here whatever the name I have entered here, that will be appeared here. So this is the way you have to use the heading tag as well as the title tag. Thank you.